Welcome to YouTube. Today we are diving into something really exciting and fresh in the smartphone world, the all-new Honor X9C, and trust me, this unboxing is going to surprise you with its premium feel and powerful features at a budget-friendly level. As we take a first look at the box, you immediately notice the clean and modern packaging that reflects Honor's new design philosophy, minimal yet attractive. Sliding the lid off slowly, the first thing that grabs attention is the phone itself, neatly placed and wrapped in a protective film that already shows off its sleek and curved display. Taking the phone in hand, the design feels incredibly lightweight yet solid, with a smooth matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints and gives a premium grip. The large display dominates the front, and even before powering it on, you can tell this device is built for immersive viewing, whether you are into gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media. Underneath the phone, we find the accessories section, and inside the box, you get a fast charging adapter, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a transparent protective case, which is always a nice bonus, especially for those who want to keep their phone safe from day one. Now powering on the device, the screen lights up beautifully with vibrant colors and smooth animations, giving a premium flagship-like feel. The bezels are impressively slim, and the refresh rate makes scrolling look incredibly fluid. As we go through the setup, you can notice how fast and responsive the interface is, thanks to its optimized software and capable processor. This phone is clearly built for performance, whether it is multitasking, gaming, or everyday usage. Flipping to the back, the camera module stands out with its bold circular design, giving it a futuristic look. While we will test the camera in detail later, first impressions suggest that it is designed to deliver sharp photos, especially in good lighting conditions. The placement of buttons feels ergonomic, and the fingerprint sensor works quickly and accurately, adding to the overall smooth experience. Another thing worth noticing is the battery size, which promises long-lasting usage throughout the day, and combined with fast charging, it ensures you are never out of power for too long. This is something users really look for in 2026 smartphones, and Honor seems to understand that well. Overall, the unboxing experience of the Honor X9C feels premium, exciting, and satisfying. From the design to the display and included accessories, everything gives a strong first impression. If you are someone looking for a stylish, powerful, and affordable smartphone, this device might just be worth your attention. Stay tuned as we will soon test its camera, gaming performance, and real-life usage to see if it truly lives up to the hype.